Hey, this is John the Super Taster. Today I'm trying the limited edition NFL Chips Kettle Cooked Cheesy Buffalo Dip. It sounds so good. I love Kettle Chips. They smell good. Right off the bat, very, very cheesy. And the aftertaste definitely has buffalo and heat. Not a ton of heat, but the cheese is really on there. Really cheesy. It's almost like a nacho cheese with buffalo dip aftertaste. With, of course, the Kettle crunch. And you get, it is good. These are very good. I'm not crazy about the cheese taste. I think they could have done a little bit better because I think it's just nacho cheese. They could have made it taste a little bit more like Colby Jack cheese or something. Not gonna pick there, but still very good. Definitely worth a try.